Hey beauties, what up? Welcome back to another nail video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my personal orders and how I package them. So my customer chose the butterfly bling from my website and she wanted the size medium in the medium coffin shape. I'll be using nails from my cart and I'll be using the buffer block to remove the shine. I have my gel polishes, some tools, some butterfly nail decals, and my nail palette with some water. And what you're seeing here is basically the nails once I've removed the shine from them with the buffing block. And now I'm just gonna apply the base coat to the nails. Once I've applied the base coat, I'm gonna put them into the nail lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And then I'll start with my first coat of Bling Bling. So I'm gonna put this into the nail lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And this is what the first coat on the nails look like. So now for the second coat, just to intensify the bling on the nails. And of course, I'm going to cure that again to make sure everything is all nice and dry and intact. So I'm sealing the bling on the nails with the top coat because I want a smooth base to apply my butterflies. And of course, again, I'm going to cure this once I finish putting the top coat. So these are the butterflies I'll be using. So they're very easy to apply. I'm just going to cut out the butterfly that I need and drop it into the water in my nail palette. And then using a tweezer, I just apply them on the nail wherever I want them. And just tap it with my finger to make sure it is sitting properly on the nail. Same thing for this butterfly. Aren't they pretty? And we're going to add a third butterfly on this big finger. Or the nail for the big finger. You know what I'm talking about. That's how the finished nail looks. And I basically did the same thing on all the nails. So I did not record everything, but this is the little finger, same procedure. And then I'm going to cure. Oops, sorry, I didn't cure. I'm going to apply the top coat after all the butterflies have been applied to the nails. I just seal them off with top coat again, and then I cure to make sure they are sealed. Look how pretty these are. Remember, you can go to my website to purchase press-on nails. I also have lip glosses and lashes, as well as lip scrubs available, and I have some makeup accessories as well. So just check out my website. It is www.be-YOU-tifulbelles.com. So this is the final set, and I think they are very pretty, and I hope my customer loves them just as much as I do. If it's the first time you're joining me, thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to watch my video. Your support means a lot. I'm just showing you here how the middle fingers are supposed to look when you put them together. You get the full butterfly. And now let me show you how I package my press-on orders. I've already wiped the nails with alcohol and now I'm just putting them in the packaging box. Now that that's done, I just pop the foam in the box in the middle and apply my sticker. You gotta customize your products and just drop it in the bag. Of course, my cute pink polka dot bag. And I put the nail package kit in there, which contains nail glue, nail file, cuticle stick, buffer block, alcohol white, and instructions. Of course, a business card is there as well, and also a thank you card. And this is what my outside packaging looks like. And I'll just apply my shipping label to that, and it's ready to go. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You are free to like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.